So, dear students, see where we were here. Back home at 2:30, Bipin Babu lay down in the bed and tried to gather his wits together. He knew that it was possible to lose one's memory through an injury in the head. Okay, so if somebody is injured in the head, he can lose his memory. But he didn't know of a single what do we say? Incident, moment of a single example of someone remembering everything except one particular incident. So how is it possible that a person remembers everything of his life and forgot one incident, one day, and fairly recent and significant one at that? He had always wanted to go to Ranchi, to have gone there, done things, and not to remember was something utterly impossible. So it was his wish to visit Ranchi, and now he visited. See what is proved, that he has visited. Now he has visited and he is not remembering when he visited and what he did. How poor fellow, I'll say. That his wish was there to go Ranchi, to visit the Hudro Fall, and now he is not remembering, he is not having that memory. At 7:30, Bipin Babu's servant came and announced, "Chunni Babu, sir, says it's very important." Now at 7:30, his servant came and he announced. What he announced? "Chunni Babu, sir, says it's very important." Now Chunni Babu came and it's very important. Who said? The servant said. Bipin Babu knew what Chunni had come for. Chunilal had been at school with him. He had been having a rough time lately and had been coming to see him about a job. Now Chunni Babu is a friend of Bipin Babu who is asking for a job. Okay, so he might be wishing for some help from Bipin Babu to get a job. Bipin Babu knew it was not possible to do anything for him. Okay, so and Bipin Babu had an idea that it was not possible for him to do anything for him. Why? Bipin Babu was already a person not mixing with people. So where Bipin Babu will try for him? In fact, told him so, and he had told him, but Chunni kept turning up like a bad penny. Oh my God! See, this is again good example of Satyajit Ray's English, level of English, very good level of English. Okay, but Chunni kept turning up like a bad penny. Penny is what? Penny is a currency. Okay, a currency. Okay, so a currency, khota sikka. What is? So he was turning up like a bad penny. खोटे सिक्के जैसा वो वापस आ रहा था. So Chunni kept turning up like a bad penny. A bad penny. What happens? Bad penny. If a khota sikka is given, bad penny is given to a dukandar, shopkeeper. What happens? He gives it back to you, right? So it is given back to you. That happens, right? Okay. So this is the thing. Bad penny. That is why I said this is very old word used in English. Nowadays people are not using it. Okay, even good English speakers are not using it. So Satyajit Ray is very good at English. Bipin Babu sent word that not only was it not possible for him to see Chunni now, but not in several weeks. So Bipin Babu sent a word. Word means message. So Bipin Babu sent a message with the servant that don't come for several next week. But as soon as the servant stepped out of the room, it struck Bipin Babu that Chunni might remember something about 58 trip. There was no harm in asking him. Now he sent the message with the servant, and the servant went out of the room, and Bipin Babu remembered, let him ask. So Bipin Babu hurried down the stairs and into the living room. Chunni was about to leave, but seeing Bipin Babu appeared, he turned round hopefully. And Chunni was now about to leave, but he saw Bipin Babu, so he stopped. Bipin Babu didn't beat about the bush. See, again, beating the bush is a phrase. Very good phrase in English. Bipin Babu didn't beat about the bush. Beating the bush means beating here and there, talking about here and there. So coming straight to the point, instead of talking here and there, coming straight to the, listen Chunni, I want to ask you something. You have a good memory and you have been seeing me off and on for a long time. Just throw your mind back and tell me, did I go to Ranchi in 58? So he asked him directly a question. I know your memory is good. You are coming again and again to me. You have seen me. So tell me, 58. Chunni said 58. It must have been 58. Or was it 59? So Chunni now remembers whether it is 58 or 59. You are sure that I did go to Ranchi? Chunni's look of amazement was not unmixed with worry. Now he was amazed. He was not worried. He was not mixed with worry, unmixed with worry. Okay. See, this is the sentence, the best sentence of this lesson, I will say. Why this is the best sentence? See, I keep on talking that Satyajit Roy's English. You see, since the lesson started, I am telling again and again that Satyajit Ray is very good at English, very good at English. The reason is, I tell you, dear student, when I was teaching this lesson about 8 to 10 years back, I was studying it at home and I found so much poured of grammar in it, and this is the peak of the grammar, the sentence here. Look of amazement was not unmixed. Now why I say this, that this is the best sentence of this lesson. Concentrate on these three words: was not unmixed. Okay, was not unmixed. Now this is a grammar part which you will not find in any book. You need to go to a grammar book of Oxford University grammar book, and that was too printed in 1965 something, after 1965, 1975 something, and I did not find it anywhere else. This is called double negative. What it is called? Write it down. This is called doubled negative. Okay, I am marking it. What sentence it is? What sentence it is? See, here it is, and this is called was not unmixed. Okay, this sentence. And what is the speciality of it? The speciality is, it is not is there, unmixed. What is the proper word? Mixed. Okay, mixed. If was not unmixed, what it means actually? It means was mixed. Negative becomes positive, and that is why double negative is already a positive sentence. Double negative is what? Double negative is a positive sentence. Okay, keep it in mind, my dear children. Double negative is a positive sentence. It's not a negative sentence. What it is? It is a positive sentence. Okay, so was not unmixed means it was mixed. It was mixed. You see, this one, okay, this one unmixed, and this one not. Okay, not, we cancel not when we cancel un. So what remains? Was mixed. So the sentence will be, what is the meaning? the sentence will be Chunni's look of amazement was mixed with worry. The sentence, the meaning will be Chunni's look of amazement was mixed with worry. If बच्चों अगर ये मैं क्लास में सिखा रहा होता और अभी अगर हमारा प्रैक्टिकल स्कूल चल रहा होता तो मैं इसको बहुत डिटेल से आई वुड हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड, बिकॉज दिस सिम्पटम ऑफ ग्रामर इज जनरली नॉट फाउंड, ओके। ये बहुत सारी ये ऐसा एग्जाम्पल है, ये जनरली किसी भी राइटिंग में मिलता नहीं है, ओके बच्चों। ये नोट डाउन करो, ये नोट डाउन करो। इसे कहते हैं डबल निगेटिव, इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज डबल निगेटिव। बहुत रेयर राइटर्स है, रेयर राइटर्स दे आर यूजिंग डबल निगेटिव्स। यूजिंग डबल निगेटिव इज़ नॉट ए जोक, okay, and at such level, okay. In speaker I have seen very rare speaker, very rare speaker. I remember my gurus, teachers, out of them also very rarely they used to speak in double negative. So rarely they were using double negative. There were, I had good teachers, very good teachers, and they were using, but very rarely, not always. So speakers also I have not found. Sometimes even I use, sometimes I say I know nothing. If I say I know nothing, what it means? It means that I don't know nothing. If I say this, that means I know something, okay. So it is double negative, it is double negative. So in this way it is used, and Satyajit Roy has used at such a higher level. So very good English. Let us go ahead. So how was Chunni's look? Amazement also and worried also. Do you mean you have doubts about having gone at all? Who said? Chunni. Now Chunni asked, do you have doubt that you went over there? Did I go? Do you remember clearly? Chunni sat down on the sofa, fixed Bipin Babu with a long hard stare and said, now Chunni sat on the sofa, fixed Bipin Babu with a long hard stare, means he was looking fixed, he was looking at Bipin Babu, okay. He did not fix, he fixed his staring eyes, okay. So he fixed on Bipin Babu, his staring eyes. Bipin, have you taken to drugs or something? Now as a friend he is saying, he is childhood friend. Now see the confidence. Bipin, have you taken drug or something? As far as I know, you had a clean record where such things were concerned. I know that old friendship don't mean much to you, but at least you had a good memory. See, this is why I called that this lesson is full of with humor, satire, sarcasm. So he knows that friend is Chunni. What Bipin said, what information is given, that he was a bad penny turning again and again. But this fellow Chunni knows that. What he knows, that old friendship doesn't mean much to you. So उसे नेचर जो है बिपिन बाबू का वो पता है, फिर भी he is coming to him. He is a good friend, that means. So, but at least you had a good memory. You can't really mean that you have forgotten about the Ranchi trip. And he said, how can you say that you have forgotten? Bipin Babu had to turn away from Chunni's incredulous stare. Incredulous. Now, the choosing words by Satyajit Roy, that is even so good. That is even so good. Now Chunni Babu, who was looking at him and staring at him, at the same time he was speaking about Bipin Babu and his behavior. So incredulous means disbelief. So while he is speaking, he is showing the incredible disbelief. Okay, incredible. Okay, incredible disbelief in Bipin. Means he knew that Bipin will not do his work. That his emotion he explained. With that he explained the doubt that how can he forget the memory. So this word is used here, incredulous. Okay, incredulous stare. Do you remember what my last job was? Asked Chundilal. Of course, you work in a travel agency. You remember that? And you don't remember that it was I who fixed up your railway booking for Ranchi. You see, Chunni Babu was working in travel agency and he fixed up the ticket for Bipin Babu. I went to the station to see you off. One of the fans in your compartment was not working. I got an electrician. Your compartment was not. I got an electrician to fix it. Have you forgotten everything? Whatever is the matter with you, you don't look too well, you know. So Chunni Babu has done something for Bipin Babu. See, he has done such a good thing that he fixed his traveling ticket. The fan also, electric fan that was not working in the train, that he repaired. जनरली ऐसा होता है, ट्रेन में अगर फ़ैन नहीं चल रहा है तो किसी के लिए भी इलेक्ट्रीशियन नहीं बुलाया जाता. दैट कंप्लेंट इज रजिस्टर्ड, देन द गवर्नमेंट इलेक्ट्रीशियन कम्स एंड रिपेयर्स इट. बट बिपिन बाबू के लिए इतना किया है चुन्नी बाबू ने. नाउ चुन्नी बाबू इज़ जॉबलेस, wants a job, and Bipin Babu is not ready to help. Bipin Babu sighed and shook his head, and I have been working too hard, he said at last. That means he remember or not? Not clearly said. That must be the reason. Must see about consulting a specialist. And he says, now I have to see some specialist. Doubtless it was Bipin's condition which made Chunni Lal leave without mentioning anything about job, and that is why Chunni Lal left now, because such a condition, memory loss. Paresh Chanda was a young physician with a pair of bright eyes and a sharp nose. Now a doctor is introduced in the story, and Paresh Chanda is a young physician. He became thoughtful when he heard about Bipin Babu's symptoms, and he told everything. Bipin Babu told everything. And look, Dr. Chandra, said Bipin Babu desperately. Now he must. He was told by Chunni Lal he must go to consultant to some doctor. He visited a doctor now, okay, and told the story to the doctor. And desperately he was saying, "You must cure me of this horrible illness. I can't tell you how it is affecting my work." Now see, the work was not affected, but now he started affecting it. मीन्स आदमी के दिमाग में एक बार डाउट क्रिएट हो जाता है तो क्या होता है, दैट गोज ऑन इंक्रीजिंग. ओके, ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज लेट अस गो. Dr. Chanda shook his head. You know what, Mr. Chaudhary, he said, I have never had to deal with a case such as yours. Frankly, this is quite outside my field of experience. डॉक्टर को भी ये एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. So, but I have one suggestion. I don't know if it work, but it's worth a try. It can do no harm. Now the doctor says something that it is out of my experience, but I will suggest you something. And it will not harm you. Bipin Babu leaned forward anxiously. As far as I can make out, said Dr. Chanda, and I think you are of the same opinion. You must have been to Ranchi, but due to some unknown reason, the entire episode has slipped out of your mind. What I suggest is may remind you of your trip. This is not impossible. Okay, now to remind your trip to Ranchi is not impossible, and he is suggesting what? I am more than that I cannot do at that moment, at the moment. So he says that what I am suggesting, my suggestion is only thing, and more than that I cannot give any medicine for such kind of illness, because वो भी उसके प्रैक्टिस के बाहर का है. ऐसा तो कोई मैंने केस ही नहीं देखा. Now I am prescribing a nerve tonic and tranquilizer. Okay, tranquilizer is a medicine to reduce the stress and anxiety. Sleep is essential or the symptoms will get more more effective. Okay. Bipin Babu felt somewhat better the next morning. He took the medicine. After breakfast, he rang up his office, gave some instructions, and then procured to get something, a first class ticket for Ranchi for the same evening. And that was the suggestion of the doctor. What the doctor suggested? What I suggest is that you go to Ranchi once again, and the sight of the place may remind you of your trip. And what he suggests, that the sight, when you go to Ranchi, it will remind you again. So he then phoned and booked a ticket. So this is the story up to here. And next is the fourth part. Very interesting to complete the story that is remaining. Okay, we'll see it in the next video.